Hi adventurer, it's Sneerfang. Listen to me carefully because I'm not going to repeat myself twice. I hope my dumb brother did an okay job teaching you the basics. Now we're going into serious business. We're going to talk about daily and weekly quests. It's another good way to earn experience points and gold. First, you need to set up your daily and weekly objectives. Every day a new daily quest will appear, and every week a new weekly one. I already put daily objectives, but you can personalize them to your liking. Always keep 9 of them, else everything will break. When you accomplish your objective, you can click on the checkbox. It will give you some XP. If you manage to validate all of the objective for one day, the XP from the daily quest are multiplied by 2, and you also earn some gold. Weekly quests work the same as the dailies, but you always gain gold even if you don't manage to complete them all. Below you can find the graph with stats of all days. If you have Notion Premium, you have access to infinite graphs, and you can also have the stats for the weekly quests. Weekly and daily quests will automatically disappear from your screen after a few days or weeks, so don't worry about that. Validate this quest and pass to the next one.